In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Tag, also known as gtag.js, on your website. This is a vital step for anyone looking to track analytics and gather insightful data about their web traffic. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Analytics homepage. If you haven't already set up an account, now is the time to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Home section, which gives you an overview of your analytics data. Next, look towards the bottom left of your screen and click on the Admin button. This will take you to a new set of options that are crucial for managing and configuring your analytics settings. Once you're in the Admin section, you'll notice a column labeled Property. Under this, you'll find Data Streams. Go ahead and click on that. Data streams are essentially the flow of data from your website to Google Analytics, and setting them up correctly is essential for accurate data tracking. After clicking on Data Streams, you'll see a list of streams you've set up. If you haven't set one up yet, this is where you can do so. Click on the stream that pertains to your website. This will bring up all the specific settings and configurations for that stream. In the stream details, you'll see an option for Configure Tag Settings. Clicking here allows you to manage how the Google tag is set up on your site. You'll need to make sure everything is properly configured to ensure your analytics data is accurate and comprehensive. Now, you might notice another Admin button within these settings. Click on this to access further configuration options. Here, you will find an option labeled Install this Google tag. This is the step where you actually obtain the code that you'll place on your website. When you click on Install this Google tag, you'll be given two options: Install manually, and another option, which might vary. For our purposes, select Install manually. This is ideal if you're comfortable adding code snippets to your website. Once selected, you'll see the gtag.js code. This is the snippet you need to copy. Make sure you copy it exactly as it appears, without any modifications. Finally, paste this code into the HTML of your website, preferably within the section. This ensures that the tag is loaded every time someone visits your site, allowing you to capture all the analytics data you need. And there you have it! You've successfully installed the Google tag on your website. By following these steps, you'll be able to track important data and gain valuable insights into your web traffic. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking!